How does trust taxation work? If you have ever wondered how trusts are taxed, you are in the right place. Understanding trust taxation is essential for effective estate planning. Trusts are legal entities created to hold and manage assets for beneficiaries. There are three main parties involved: the grantor, who creates the trust, the trustee, who manages it, and the beneficiary, who receives the benefits. Trusts can generate income from various sources, such as investments, rental properties, or business interests. The way this income is taxed depends on the type of trust and how the income is distributed. Trusts can be revocable or irrevocable, and they can be classified as simple or complex. With a revocable trust, the income generated is typically taxed to the grantor. This is because the grantor retains control over the trust assets and can revoke the trust at any time. The trust does not pay separate taxes. Instead, the grantor reports all income on their personal tax return. On the other hand, irrevocable trusts are treated as separate tax entities. They must file their own tax returns. If the trust retains income, it is taxed at the trust's tax rates, which are usually higher at lower income levels compared to individual rates. If the trust distributes income to beneficiaries, that income is taxed at the beneficiaries' individual tax rates, relieving the trust of that tax burden. When it comes to simple and complex trusts, a simple trust is required to distribute all income to beneficiaries annually. The beneficiaries then pay tax on that income, while the trust itself pays no tax on distributed income. A complex trust, however, may accumulate income, distribute principal, or make charitable contributions. Any income retained by the trust is taxed at the trust level. Trusts can also benefit from tax deductions and expenses. They can deduct costs related to the administration of the trust, such as trustee fees, legal fees, and investment advisory fees. Expenses directly related to generating income for the trust can help reduce taxable income. In estate planning, trusts are often used to avoid probate and provide ongoing asset management after death. They can also help minimize estate taxes by removing assets from the taxable estate of the grantor, especially with irrevocable trusts. It is important to consider trust income taxation when funding trusts to optimize tax efficiency for beneficiaries. For example, structuring a trust so that income is distributed to beneficiaries in lower tax brackets can reduce the overall tax burden. Understanding trust taxation is essential for effective trust funding and management. Proper coordination between trust terms, distributions, and tax rules is key to ensuring that trusts align with the grantor's goals and protect assets while minimizing tax liabilities for both the trust and its beneficiaries.